Maayong adlaw, this is G Perpetual Kid at tara't bumiyahe mula Cebu City to Siquijor sakay ng air-conditioned bus ng Sugbo Urban Transit Incorporated. But first things first, dapat alam natin ang schedule ng pag-alis ng bus mula sa Cebu South Bus Terminal. Every Monday, Wednesday, Thursday at Friday, umaalis ang bus ng alas 8 ng gabi. While every Sunday, umaalis ito ng alauna ng madaling araw. Now that we know the schedules, next thing to do is magpa-reserve ng seat a few hours before the trip. Pwede kang pumunta mismo sa Cebu South Bus Terminal o di kaya mag-message sa Facebook page ng Sugbo Urban Transit Incorporated. This is my second time sumakay dito at punuan ng bus, kaya need talagang magpa-reserve ng seat. Be sure to arrive 2 hours before scheduled departure time and buy your ticket worth 329 pesos. So sumakay ako ng Monday kaya umalis ang bus ng lagpas 8 p.m. Mabilis naman ang biyahe at by 9 p.m. nasa City of Naga na kami. Natulog ako after that at nagising na lang nang dumating kami sa Municipality of Dalaget by 10:30 p.m. for the mandatory break. Pwede kang mag-CR or kumain ng merienda. Bumili na rin ako ng pampasalubong na Karkar Chicharon for 3 packs at 100 pesos. A few minutes after, bumiyahe ulit kami at by 12 midnight, narating namin ang Liloan Port, Santander, Cebu. Kailangan nating sumakay ng Roro vessel papuntang Larena, Siquijor. Roro fares are 275 pesos for regular, 240 pesos for students, 225 pesos for senior citizens, at 140 pesos for kids 3 to 9 years old. By 2 a.m., naglayag na ang barko mula Santander, Cebu, papuntang Larena, Siquijor. By the way, dito tayo tatambay during the entire 2.5 to 3 hours trip. Make sure naka-jacket kayo dahil ang lamig once bumiyahe ng barko. Also, walang pwedeng mahigaan dito, upuan lang. By 5 a.m., narating na natin ang Port of Larena, Siquijor. If you are traveling to the municipalities of Enrique Villanueva, Maria at Lazi, I suggest na sumakay pa rin kayo ng bus dahil ito ang mga unang dadaanan sa ruta. Just pay an additional fare based sa kung saan kayo bababa. But if you are traveling to the municipalities of Larena, Siquijor, and San Juan, better na bumaba sa Larena and take tricycle papunta sa iyong destination dahil mas mabilis ang biyahe. Babalik naman ang Sugbo Urban Transit Incorporated bus papuntang Cebu City mula Larena, Siquijor every Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday ng alauna ng hapon and every Sunday at 4 p.m. Again, this has been J Perpetual Kid and we explored how to travel from Cebu City to the island of Siquijor via Sugbo Urban Transit Incorporated. Hanggang sa susunod na biyahe, ayo-ayo!